Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for November 21st, 2018. Welcome, everyone. Market cap again down. It's now at 144 billion. So, yeah, another 20 billion has come out in the last 24 hours. If we look at the volumes are at 23 billion, meaning that it's 10 billion more than usual. So it has been a high volatile day yesterday. The BTC dominance has risen to 53.5%, but if we look at the top 10 coins, we can see Bitcoin hovering at 4,400 right now, 4,432, and 5.6% down. XRP took also a hit, 11% down, now doing 43 cents. Now Stellar 12% down, doing 19 cents. It's back to the low prices before. Now Litecoin is doing $32, 8% down. Monero doing $66, doing 5.5% down. Now Bitcoin Cash is the only one which has risen up in the last 24 hours, but still it's took such a massive hit in the last couple of days. 40%, 30% down. It's just remarkable. It's still alive at $229. Now let's look a little bit closer to Bitcoin. So let's have a look at the charts. The 1-day chart. So this is the 1-day chart, and then we can see that yesterday there was a low of 4,300 out up here, and then this morning there was another low at 4,272 out up here. So some traders are talking about that there is a 4,200 level buying opportunity. Let's see how that's going to roll, but more importantly, it went up here at 4,500 in the morning, but it went all the way up to 4,800 whilst coming from this 4,300 level basically, and took this morning on the 21st of November a big hit at that 42. It didn't touch, according to this graph. Most probably some exchanges, if we go further, we might see that it went all the way to 4,200 and then started to crawl up a little bit. All right, so now let's also look at Bitcoin Cash, because that's also been hard, very, very this is basically the Bitcoin Cash, how do you call it? This is the ABC camp. So yesterday, around that same time, when Bitcoin had a hit, it was doing $200. Oh my God. And then from there, it went up to 250, and then low 229, and then right now 229 right now. So it took some hits basically, and it went to the $200 mark yesterday basically. So that's been amazing that it survived that and is now trying to recuperate from that. All right, let's look at the coins which done very well in the last 24 hours. We can see Factom 20% up, ARC 18% up, ODEM up 11%, Electronium up 9%, Maker up 8%, and the list goes on. And if we look at the coins which have not done that well, we see Aeon down 19%, Tezos down 16%, Bitcoin Gold down 16%, Populus down 15%, Metaverse ETP 15% down, Walton Chain 14% down, and the list goes on. So let's go to the news. The news comes from Bakkt, ISIS Bakkt, which was about to launch on December the 12th, is now going to be delayed and is going to be in January the 24th of 2019. So they have shifted it. And it's they are saying basically because of a lot of people wanting to start there, and their new risk mitigations testing is going on, and they have shifted it. but we are here really in a bear market, so it is only wise to start a little bit later. Otherwise, when these real settlements in Bitcoin happen on Bakkt, we could see even a bigger tumble basically happening. All right, so the next news is from the US Justice Department, Tether for Bitcoin manipulation. Now, has been going on for quite some time. The US government has given subpoenas to USD Tether and Bitfinex, but up to now, there's not been any real attack on them. And the Justice Department, with the CFTC, will coordinate probes to getting things known about Tether and their whereabouts. More importantly, they're also looking into how to stop this happening. Now let's have a look again at Tether. I think it is doing 97 cents if I'm correct. So Tether, yeah, it's doing 97. Okay, it's nearly 98, but it's not at the $1 as expected, and there is 1.8 billion dollars of Tether in circulation. All right, so let's see how this is going to roll. The last news comes from India. India is basically saying that the the Supreme Court is about to progress on their cryptocurrency regulations. Serious efforts are put on the draft crypto bill and report that the government explained. So that's going to be next month, most probably in December, that the government will come out with what they're going to do with virtual currencies. So it's big news. Let's see how the courts in India are going to reply towards this. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our bitcoinmagazine.nl, our website, and our YouTube channel. And I hope to see you on the next one.